Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy gatta full guide. Start by making a roux. Melt ghee, add 2 cups of gram flour, cook until nutty, and whisk in 3 cups warm stock to form a smooth sauce. Simmer gently while stirring, season with salt and freshly ground pepper, and fold in cooked gatta pieces. Finish with cilantro and a squeeze of lemon, then serve over rice or flatbread for a comforting meal. Gather ingredients and prep everything before you heat the pan to keep the process smooth. Make a flexible dough with gram flour, water, and spices, roll into a log, and slice into bite-sized pieces. Parboil gatta briefly to help them hold shape, then pat dry. Sweat onions until golden, add pureed tomatoes and spices, and reduce to build concentrated flavor. Keep stock warm so you can whisk it in without cooling the roux. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. I recently loved a book about money that actually changed my thinking, and it made my kitchen reading more meaningful. You can find that recommendation in the description along with other deals and links to tools I use. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Use medium-low heat and patience. A well-made roux is the backbone of your gravy. Whisking warm stock in gradually prevents lumps and creates a glossy sauce that coats each gatta piece. Keep the simmer gentle so the dumplings absorb flavor without falling apart. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, a splash of lemon, or a pinch of sugar if tomatoes are too acidic. Finish with chopped cilantro for a fresh, bright note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.